Good afternoon, everybody. I'm not sure how those links are working, but we'll see. Doot, 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 doot. One of the rarest sights you're ever going to see is when you see these all green. Rarely does this happen, and I mean rarely. I'm trying to think the last time I saw them all green. It's been, I don't know, quite frankly. It might be pre 10 years ago. I don't know. Let's see. Yep, I'm live. Let's see this. Save from mobile. Yeah, restream won't work. Pile of shits. What's up, Mr. C? One of the rarest sights you guys are ever gonna see. Rarest sights you guys are ever gonna see is going to be, sorry for the TikTok and YouTube, but YouTube's being shot through the phone today. Shot to the heart and you're to blame. I hope the normal link is working. You give love a bad name, shot through the heart, and you're to blame. Everybody make some money on that NAS call out from this morning? 1 hour buy. Told you I couldn't call a sell. Told you I couldn't call a sell. How's the sound on YouTube? And you're to blame. What's up, Larry? You give love a bad name. How is the sound on TikTok? No, YouTube. I don't care about TikTok. We're good on YouTube. What's up, Mr. C? What's up, Banner Video? What's up, Jacob? What's up, Robel? Look, Jacob, you can see your handiwork on YouTube for once. What's up, Anthony? What's up, John C? What's up, Gary? You give Gary a bad name. Bon Jovi does rock. Good. What's up, Casey McMahon? What's up, Tony? What's up, Warty Talaya channel? That's interesting. 3 more evals passed. Nice, Tony. What's up, Larry Cooper? Thanks for being on both. I'm from Indonesia. Nice. Well, welcome. Hope everything's going blessed for you over there in Indonesia. We're right outside of Atlanta-ish. I have one trade open. It was technically from yesterday, I believe, yeah. It's a 0.2. We're up 404 pips. Oh, did I say 900 pips? Shit, I lied. It's only 400 pips on this trade. That's the only one I have open in this account. I have several accounts. A bad name. You give love a bad name. Well, it's not gambling, but yeah, okay. So, this is our H&H scanner. It stands for horseshoes and hand grenades, which means it's close enough. Never before in the history I've ever seen this. I'm telling you to look for a sell stop. Tell you to have a sell stop. Look for a sell stop, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, and 30 second overnight. Obviously, they're not going to stay green the whole time. This is the easiest call I'll ever make. You will see a 30-second red arrow here, and I'm good at these calls. This is the easiest of easiest. Sometime between now and next week, how about that? You'll see one of these change, and then play the sell on the others, but we'll get to that in a second. This is all green. Again, this is historic. I have never seen this before. I can't remember of a time I've seen this before. So I'm going to go with that as a good thing. Easiest call I can make, look for a sell stop either on US 30 NAS or SPX, period. I have a demo trade from the calls you made on the 12th. Nice, JTF6. I wonder how much you're up. Good afternoon, prayers and blessings, Kevin. The calls this morning, bountiful. Nice, JTF6. What's up, Matt? What's up, Tony? What's up, Gary? Today was 400 pips. Yes, correct. I think I said 900. Might have exaggerated. I lose track of things. Da da da. A bad name, bad name. You give love a bad name. All right. What's up, Robel? Manifest Abundance. Cool name, by the way. Kelly McMahon, hello. You give love. All right. So again, the call is this, to be clear, for the third or fourth or fifth time. Let's just say you see NAS 30-second change from green to red. Please play any sell stop. US 30 or SPX, or vice versa. If you see SPX turn from green to red on the 30-second, I would say go down to the 5-second and play those. But go ahead and play the sell stops for your NAS and US 30, please. These will absolutely 100, just like they said the sky was falling. Does no one remember last Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday when they were saying, oh, it's the most horrible market ever in the history of the world? I said, no, it isn't. Fuck you. Buy stops, NAS, SPX, and US 30. Well, here's the FU. There it is. I'm telling you, this trade is even easier. These will turn red. All three of these will turn red for sure by this time next week. I say tonight or tomorrow, but for sure by this time next week. Sometimes on a hard up, they don't pull it overnight. But yeah, look for those 5-second, 10 seconds, they'll turn red. Sevens, if you all are clear on that trade, that call out I'm making for everyone, sevens, please, on that. And then I have to show you a few things here. You give love a bad name, bad name. You give love a bad name, bad name. It was a great day of trading, Matt. 7 sevens, cool. Here we go. Please understand, this is a copyrighted, trademarked, and patent pending, a provisional patent is called, trading system. What does that mean? No, you can't use a safety trade in your name. No, you can't use any of the indicators' names in anything that you ever do. Be happy that I'm sharing this with you. Don't be a greedy SOB. Be nice, play fair, or I'll sue you. We do have an actual, this is registered, this is actually done. This is your seal. Signed, sealed, and delivered, baby, to myself and my loving wife, beautiful wife. Coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Also, we have, we have an NDA. Also, we have a legal disclaimer. I am not a financial, neither is anyone associated with this channel a financial advisor. Demo trade only. Buy something from my store. It's the coolest merchandise, best merchandise you're ever going to get. Make sure you realize that you're actually an adult and you make your own damn adult decisions. We only trade the up green arrow and the red down arrow, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. The previous live I did this morning was exceptionally good. It was amazingly good. It was fantastically good. I strongly recommend you watch it. What's up, Jen Holmes? Thank you for all the sevens. Appreciate that. You give love a bad name, bad name. We have so much information. I'll try to whip through that for you. Did I say type yes? Please type yes if you understand all those things. Sorry, fuck. All right. The almost holy grail signal's fired. Not quite exactly correct, but we're getting better with it. It should fire off correctly again, but do not take any almost holy grail trade signals until I give you the okay. I repeated it once here. I repeated it again here. So the Holy Grail is almost Holy Grails are firing up, but they'll be here soon. I have a feeling. Very, very soon. Welcome to the first Signal Freedom Ricky Bobby demo. Now what this room is brand new. Did anyone notice this? I can't believe John and Matt Parker did not notice this, or Bob, or a few of the others. I can't believe it. It's kind of shocking, actually. We opened this room up yesterday. You guys should be able to see it. If you don't, you will soon. What this room is for, it's going to take your tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, and it's going to, good afternoon, George. You did notice. I knew you would, Matt. It's going to take your tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 freedom signals. That's why it's called the freedom, right? And it's going to take those, and every time there's a first weekly daily, it's going to put a trade in here. Every time there is a first time match, it's going to pull it. So all your tier 1, tier 2 people have to keep track of things, and you don't have it like tier 3. It'll be the best improvement for you guys. So tier 1 and tier 2, be patient. You'll be able to have your own little signal room, well, tier 3 too, but you'll have your signal room where they're actually calling out market order entries. Let me be clear. When a signal pops into here, you can take market order entries. When your signal pops into the Almost Holy Grail trade room, Discord room, you'll be able to take market order entries. When your signal pops out of the Holy Grail, which are active, by the way, the Holy Grail is done and active. I'll be doing a big special on that after I see a couple signals. But it is active. The Safe Trade System is announcing a possible Holy Grail sell stop. Do not enter the trade, immediately file. This is a test one, obviously. So when this Holy Grail signal is official and comes out, oh shit. Hold on a second now. Hold on a second now. Do we have any from today? USD CAD. No, August 9th. No, these are not new. So once these start firing off new signals, which will be soon, you'll be able to take these. Interesting. He's going to have to do the rewording on the Holy Grail. Keith, reword. You can do market order entries on the Holy Grail. Reword. Holy Grail alert. Okay? But they're also going to be, so you can do market order entries when they're firing up improperly, just meaning you hit the buy button or the damn sell button as soon as you get the alert. You'll be able to do that for the Holy Grail. You'll be able to do that for the Almost Holy Grail room, and you'll be able to do that for the First Time room. These are all free upgrades from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. Keith's been busy as hell lately, still doing an exceptional job, but it's been a lot on him. We are just waiting for anticipation. Nice. For sure, nail biting. That's funny. Forex EA Trading, fire. Oh, I like that. What's up, Forex EA Trading? All right. So these are your upgrades coming. Tier 1 is $150 a month. You get 10 signals, plus you get 10 signals in the Almost Holy Grail signal, plus you get 10 in here. It's crazy. They all might all be the same, but that's, you still get it. Then, of course, you get Tier 2 gets $250 a month, 20 signals. Tier 3 is $350 a month, and you get unlimited. Plus, you get the actual things on your chart. All right. Now, this NAS that was called out by me this morning was called out on 8/8, 8/13, and 8/14 as a buy stop. As everybody else was crying, well, if it's going to go down forever and the markets are going to crash and the end of the world's happening, bullshit. And our detector said it was bullshit, by the way. So, yay us. We saw through their bullshit, found the real deal, and lo and behold, what do you know? It went up, and everybody made some money, demo money this morning, I hope. As called out, live by me all fucking morning long. Through open, by the way. Through whatever news there was. The first set of Holy Grail-ish, yeah, the Almost Holy Grail were awesome. They were, but we just didn't have it tweaked right. Matter of fact, let me see. Yeah, this is the old version. Yeah, we need to get the updated version in here. But that's okay, we'll take that one off. Alright, now, that's the news on the signal front. Discord, yeah, nothing there. I think we're good on that. So the call outs from this morning, I could not call a sell. I kept trying to tell you guys that. On 8/8, we called the buy. Right? Boom, there it is. On 8:13 we called to buy. On 8:14 we called to buy. This morning I called to buy. Not today. I made $3,000 off. Nice. Not today. Congratulations. Not today. You made $3,000. Good job, buddy. That's what I like to hear. Now, I've already called out NAS and US 30 and SPX what to look for. Let me call out gold for a second here for you guys. Buy to the 5-second blue line. Gold, buy to the 5-second blue line. Gold, 30-second sell. Where's she going to? 3 minute? Buy. Okay. All right. Gold. Well, fuck all that gold shit. Here you go. Let me tell you gold real. Take any buy stop you can get on gold from 5 second through daily till this fucking pink line goes up and touches this fucking blue and orange line. Could that be any clearer? Fuck the rest of that shit. Oil. I mean, I'm not fooling around. Get the fuck out. Easiest shit on earth. Yeah, that's a little tricky on that oil. Did we ever click into that sell right there? Ooh, 12-hour sell. 12-hour daily. Monthly buy. Yeah, monthly buy. I'll call out oil in the faster. Buy stop 5 second oil to the blue line. 5-10 second buy stop. 30-second hit. 1 minute negative. Ricochet. It's going to go up on the 3 minute ricochet and come back down. Maybe. I don't even like that trade. 5 minute buy. No, fuck that. Do what I said. Stick with the other. 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 oil buy. 1 hour. Play any 1 hour buy stop on oil 15 second above to the 1 hour line until this re comes up and touches its blue line on the money line. 1 hour, 2 hour buy. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour buy. Yeah. Fill in the gap on the 4 hour. Easy peasy. What's the daily looking like? Let me see the 1 hour again. Yeah. So there's a short-term buy, real barely advanced that sell, and then I just like these buys, do the buys. EURUSD, 5 second. 10 second. 15 second. Jibu, sell. 15 seconds sell. Play any. If it happens, play any 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute sell ricochet back down to its 10 minute blue line. EURUSD. I like that trade a lot. Then 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Ooh, it just hit the daily. Fuck that. Yeah, I called this daily for you twice. Back on 7:30 was the first time, and then ever since then back to the blue line. Man, I don't like EURUSD. I just wouldn't play it. Fuck all the calls I made. I wouldn't play those. They're going to be right, but I just wouldn't do it. GBP, JPY, another easy one. Play any fucking buy stop you can on GBP, JPY. I told you this back on 8.6. Play any buy stop 15 seconds through 12 hour until this pink line goes up and touches this blue line on the weekly. I just love this trade. I love GBP, JPY. AUD, USD. Let's take a look. AUD, USD. Buy stop weekly. Love that. 12-hour buy. Yep, that was correct. Look at all that money you made. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Oh, 'tis of the sell weekly. Fuck that. It is a weekly, monthly sell. You can make so much money between now and then. The 12-hour buy is perfection. Yeah. Yeah. You've already made your money. We can. I mean, in fact, I'm going to take this trade off. You can take that trade off, close it down. It's fine. USD CAD. Let's see. 5 second sell stop to the blue line. USD CAD. Where is she going now? Where? Ooh, 10 minute. Let me see. Oh yeah, 5 minute? How did I, no, it's a 10 minute. All right, USD, CAD, USD, CAD. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Play any buy stop, USD, CAD, until this pink line touches this blue line. I would look for buy stops from 5 second to daily, quite frankly, until this pink goes up and touches the blue. Oh, look, I called a daily weekly buy. Ha, forgot about that. Yeah, you would have made money. Yep, how much money would that have been? I looked it up this morning. I forgot. What was this one? Shitty little symbol, but it's all right. Like 280, 250 pips on this trade. XRP is a buy. I don't give two shits what it's doing. Just buy it. Ethereum, I've already explained in detail. What did Ethereum? Aha, I knew it. I told you, Lair. I told you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a 7-hour, 12-hour sell stop to the blue line. I tried to warn Larry. I hope he made some money on that. Bitcoin's the same. It'll be going down also. Told you. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're the same. Amazon's a buy no matter what. Just buy it. Buy the fuck out of it. But that Ethereum, play any sell stop on Ethereum until it hits this blue line on the 12-hour. If you don't know what a sell stop, it's the pending order. If you don't know what a blue line is, buy my system. You'll know. What's up, Harris? New highs for GJ. Yep, probably. Yep, mentioned it on 8.5. Thank you, Bob. Wrote it down, took it for 3 days. Absolutely. GBB JPY, when I wrote it down, Bob, was 8.6. He said 8.5. But yep, there it is. You're in the money either way. Thank you, Bob, for keeping track of things. I appreciate you. This is an extremely good trade. This GBB JPY trade is extremely good. The gold trade weekly is better. The first time it happened is best, but still extremely good. GBB JPY gold, easy peasy. As easy as ERUSD going to its 1 hour daily blue line. What's up, Adrian? Adrian. What's up, Adrian? Good afternoon, Bob. Oh, you're cleaning up? Great, Larry. I'm so glad to hear that. I agree with Larry, buy the system. Haha. All right, anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? Because if not, you might want to go ahead and go. I made the call outs for you so you don't have to sit around. I'm going to go ahead and go over a very thorough teaching session like I did this morning. I rather liked it, so I'm going to bore a lot of you. I understand if you want to leave, please do so. I'm here just to help you. You know, I'm not here to entertain necessarily. I do entertain. I think I do anyways in the mornings when I make those call outs live for you. But I made all the call outs. I'm not going to go into the seconds and watch second trade. I ain't going to. It's too slow in the afternoons. It's like fucking watching paint dry. I ain't doing it. So if I'm not going to do that and I have time, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys. So here we go. If you don't want to learn, leave. If you do want to learn, stay. I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade using the system, and I'm going to show you everything there is to know. Okay? It is an extremely easy system, made for beginners. It can help you make consistent profits. Works on 1,000 symbols, including futures. You can use any broker you want. To start with, you need to go over to the YouTube, my YouTube channel, watch some videos there, catch some lives, learn some more at safetrade.com, or to buy it. You can go over there. All right, now, some of you get bored with learning. I don't. I love it. Some of you get bored with going on. Nope, I don't. I love it. So here we go. We can look at any symbol. Let me go to this one so you guys can get a good fucking laugh on something. This is what you guys are going to see. Let's go to GPB JPY. Let's take a look, shall we? We're going to take a look in a book. Right? All we're going to look at is right here. You literally cannot see the future unless, of course, you have my signal. Well, the signals do too. Unless you actually have my system. Why do I say that? Because my system shows the signals with near 100% accuracy. GBB JPY weekly is what we're going to look at. Okay. This is all we can see. You can't see anything else. So what are we looking at right here? Let's take a look, shall we? In a book, reading rainbow. Everything pressed up against this purple right here. The green, 3 green lines, this red, these 2 green lines, all this stuff right here. This means something. So I'm going to explain to you what it means. It's in a book, reading schmain schmo. All right. This happens to be a weekly chart, GBB, JPY, GY, GJ, sorry, GY, GBB. This right here is that yellow and purple area that you see encompassed. Up against there, you're going to notice something. You're going to notice that the base system, this is called the core, the very basis of everything it's built on, is showing you the green arrows right here. They're green. Let's oppose this to the red that are over here. Oh, some of you won't be able to see that. Let me see if I can sneak that up a little bit for you. There we go. We'll go right here. And let me bring this up just a minute. Okay. So the candles are red where my arrow is right here. They're red. Then they switch over to green. So that is an indicator that is installed on the system. Very effective, very helpful to you, very accurate, by the way, extremely accurate. But they change to set to certain settings. So the very first thing you can realize, green means up, red means down. Each one of these candles is worth a week. That's crazy. These are long trades. You know what? Someone asked to go over a sell on a faster time frame. Hold on. Sorry, GBB, JPY. Scratch all that shit. Hold on a second. We're going to go down to a 1 minute, and I want to find a sell for you. I forgot. This morning someone said, hey, can you do a sell stop, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, of course we can. It works the fucking same. I don't understand. People act as if it's some kind of magic. It's the exact same fucking thing every time. Oh, how gorgeous. Sell stop to the blue line, U.S. oil, 1 minute. But anywho, all right, this is a sell. This is 1 minute. Look at how fucking beautiful this is. All right. So inside of our thing, I switched it up because I just remembered someone wanted that. You have oil, 1 minute chart, red, 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 green. Oh, you guys don't know how to do the broken box. Hold on, let me make it a 3 minute. Ooh, we can't do a 3 minute. Hold on. Give me just a sec. I'll find one in the back here. Yep, there we go. There we go. And now we're ready. 3 minute oil. Oh yeah, gorgeous. 3 minute oil. U.S. oil spot right here. All right, let me see something right there. There we go. Okay. Again, first thing you're going to notice, colors change from green. You can see it clearly. Green candles right there to red. Watch, when you come up against here, you're going to see red candles. There they are, they're red. Okay. Next thing you're going to notice, there's 2 red lines here. This is called the Bach. The Bach is amazing. It's literally what the sniper's made of, but we'll go over that later. You can clearly see against the purple right here, it's red and red. In our business, red means sell, so we're 1 and 2. Then you come over to here and you see the real direction bar 1, 2, and 3 are all red. And then you see our bullshit detector green, which means it's not really going to go up. That's BS. That's a lie. So let's take a look at something, shall we? This is, again, 3 minute sell stop oil. Oh. There you go. All right. There we go. Okay. So we have multiple indicators on our system. They're in your rules. All these rules are coded into our well, the sniper is part of it, into our Discord signal rooms. So when you see a signal, these are all included. The candle's turning green. The orange EMA. Let's go over to the orange EMA. For a sell stop, you're going to see the orange EMA right here. Slide underneath and be below and to the left. You can only do a sell from this position. So let me go ahead and change this right up for you. For a sell stop, Don, can you do Costco? I have 500,000. 500,000 in Costco. Holy shit. Yeah, I sure will, but it'll have to be after this. Sorry, I'm not doing it now. But I'll do it when I'm done. Just remind me. Okay. This is for a sell stop. Do. The red EMA line is red. I'll show you what that means too. Two lines are going to be red for a sell. It's just the inverse relationship of what you were doing for the buy. All right, so here we go. Let's go over those. Okay, top says candles are red. I showed you that multiple times. The candles are red. We're on looking at US oil 3-minute sell. Orange EMA is to the left and below, so there it is. This is the orange EMA, it's just the line. It's to the left and below it, abso-fucking-lutely. Red EM line, this is, by the way, some of you don't understand this. This line right here, this red turns to green when it's a buy and turns to red when it's a sell. I don't think some of you even knew that. Isn't that crazy? When you can get about 17 out of 20 trades correct, Pablo. What's up, John? 600 plus pips today. Nice, John. That's enough to retire a normal trader. Like if you were aggressive, not professional. I don't want to say professional. Love learning the system to master it. Right, Larry? Yes, I'll look at Costco for you when I'm done. Name's Kevin, but you can call me whatever you want. I don't really care. All right. The BS detector, so that's all these right here. Your Bach, number 4, 2 lines are red. You can see they're red right here. Boop, boop. The BS detector is green, which it is right here. That means it's not really going to go up, it's going to come down. Real direction bars 1, 2, and 3 are red, red, and red. So and our logo, by the way, is down. So let me put the logo on here. What is our logo? Well, gee, I don't know. It is, well, you can't see it because of the bowl. It is this thing right here. Green up arrow, red down arrow on the back of the bull. We don't trade the bull, we trade the back of the bull, the green arrow and the red down arrow. So let's go ahead and pull out our little trolley tool right here and show you what it looks like. Price starts above, comes down, told to go up with the bullshit detector right here. Clearly see the pullback, and of course, then it comes down again. And this is what's called a down arrow. Now my arrow sucks compared to the 3D drawing, I get it, but it is what it is. All right? So this is green, then these 3 are red. You can clearly see red. Red means down in our business, a sell, a short, whatever. Just what it put, that's what it means. So down, 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 3 of those real direction bars. Again, 3-minute US oil, this same pattern can be on a weekly gold. It could be on a monthly Ethereum. It could be on a 1-second Bitcoin. When you see this pattern, it works every time. If you count the ways, you can clearly see that we have the red logo, 1, the red line, 2, the orange line flipped underneath it, 3. You also have the Bach right here. There's 2 of those. This is going to be 4 and 5. 2 red lines. Red means down, remember. So we have 5 things pushing down on this trade. Then we have our real direction bars here. Watch. 1 is red. 2 is red. And the third one right, I'll move it over here so you can see it. 3 is red. Okay? So now you have all these saying down, and we do have one bullshit detector, which is actually true. It's saying this is a lie, but this little green dot right here is up. So that's what this is saying. We have, and I can get into 25 to 30 different indicators on my system will tell us this is a down trade. When I open up the second chart, you'll see what I'm talking about. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things pushing this trade down. You have 3 holding the trade down. Okay, so let's pretend. Is it change when it's sell or buy or when cross blue line? You can figure it out, but it is what it is. Matt Parker, cost to hold, it's going up daily, weekly. Oh, nice, Matt. Now be careful with that. An alert for each time frame. Yeah, you can set up alerts on TradingView, of course you can. All right. Don't Cast Stones. Hey, Kev, thank you. You're welcome, Don't Cast Stones. All right, so now this is what it looks like with my system base on one chart. We usually trade with 2, and you can get about at least double this. But this is called a sell stop, and we're going to use an example. Let's pick out Don. Don is swimming in the ocean. He's green. He's trying to stay above the ocean. He's trying to stay above the water. He doesn't want to drown. So the BS detector, what you see right here, this green thing right there, right? It's right where my arrow is. Move this back just a little bit for you. Watch. This thing right there. That's Don trying to stay up. This is an analogy. But he has 3 grown people pulling him under. He has Don't Cast Stone, grab the arm of Don, pulling him under. He has Larry Cooper, the other red arrow right here, grabs another arm, pulling him under. He has another person over here. Matt grabbing a leg, pulling him under. So he has 3 grown men grabbing his arms and legs and pulling him under. I don't know why Don pissed him off, but he did. Then above Don, he has people pushing him down. He has Trady Goss, he has Anthony, and he has Tony, and he has Mike, and he has Michelle. So he has 5 grown people pushing him down. These are the 5 indicators here. He has 3 grown people pulling him down, and poor Don's just trying to swim in the ocean. But Don has no chance, and I don't care if he's Michael fucking Phelps himself on steroids. He can't stay up. Don will go down. The trade will go down. I don't care what he's doing in this world. This trade had no chance to stay up. It had to come down, and it did, as you can clearly see. So this is called the sell stop. It's a pending order. If you don't know what that means, it just means you're just going to put it in. Let me show you where, by the way, and I'll show you. Does everyone get that analogy? Yes or no? Don isn't coming up. I don't know what that means. Would the downward move prior to the one you're showing fit the criteria also? Yeah, of course it would. It's right here. This is a broken Bach. Yep. It's actually a better trade than the first time is always better. But I'm just using this as an example. Don isn't coming up. My bad, Matt. I know what you're saying. I asked the question. TikTok, does that make sense to you that you have 3 grown men pulling this trade down, pulling Don down? You have 5 grown people pushing Don under the water, the trade going down. There wasn't a chance for this trade to go up. Yes, you understand that on TikTok, or no, you don't. Teaching you all how to trade. And let me show you something to be clear. So my system gives you upwards of 25 to 30 confirmations that this trade is going to go down. It doesn't have a choice but to go down, right? It just doesn't. So let me show you what this exact same trade looks like. Da 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 da. Da da dee, da da da. Okay, this is what the exact same trade is going to look like without any indicators. If we're pulling, it has correct, Matt. Okay, I'm glad you guys understood that. Thank you, Jen Holmes on TikTok. Jeez, I'm about to ditch TikTok. Watch what the trade looks like, right? Without any indicators. This is what that same trade would look like without my indicators and with my indicators. Okay? Without my indicators, with my indicators. Without my indicators, good luck. With my indicators. It's literally color-coded to tell you. But some of you still had trouble with this. I get it. So I decided to help you all out, break out the Bach into these 3 lines so that you can see it clearly. So you want to take a picture of this sell stop right here now, because when you include the sniper, it brings up the number of people pulling Don under by 1, 2, 3, and we have to open up 2 charts to use it properly. So now we're not just at like 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. We're now up to 10, 11, or 12 people pulling him down, pushing him down, because when this sniper blue line is high with the pink and purple, just like it was over here in the previous one that was asked, this is going to go down, period. And I'm going to show you how the sniper works. You do not need the sniper. For $575 a year, you can just use the core system, by all means. The sniper will make your entries virtually foolproof. I can't say it is foolproof because, well, people prove me wrong on the foolproof thing. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week around here. I swear, it drives me bonkers. How people just can't even follow these simple instructions, but whatever. All right? And I'm going to make it so you don't even have to do that. When I get to the signals, you don't have to do anything, I swear. And even then, we're going to be like, well, I don't know. I don't know if that's where, God almighty, I swear. All right, let's go back to where we were, which is right here. And here. Okay. Now, when you put these two things to combine together, and what are we on? Yeah, we're on that. Okay. I'll go down for you guys so you can see something a little clearer. When you put these together and you utilize, I'll pull it over so you can see it on the both screens there. And you see what this is and you utilize it right here. And you pull this together and you see what it looks like. It is utterly amazing. Watch how simple this is. And if it's too complicated, I have a signal service. You don't have to remember anything, okay? So watch. You literally have, on this particular case, your 3-minute on the right, and then if you go over to your left, over to here, you have the 5-minute. You can combine them. I prefer using the hourly, but I don't want to confuse anybody, so I'm just going to combine these two. Blue line low, pink line high, it's a cell stop. You come over to here, the blue line's high, pink line high, purple line. This is a cell. Then you combine in here, watch, this is what you guys are going to now know. The sniper is so important, it controls every one of our signal service callouts, which for the record were 65-0 before I quit counting them. 65 wins, 0 losses through April, then we got so many and it was psychotic. Let me make this a 4 right here for you. Okay. Again, if this is too complicated for you, I have a signal service which does everything of this for you. Because I'm with you. If you have to try to do and watch 25 different indicators to make sure they all line up, it could be challenging. It doesn't have to be, but it could be. Pink line low, blue line low. This is the number 1 thing you should be looking for. Number 2 thing you should be looking for. Number 3 thing you should be looking for. The 4th most important thing. Please type out a 7 if you understand that what I just showed you about a cell stop is nothing more than a confirmation for the sniper. It isn't the most important thing. The most important thing you can have, type out a 7 if you understand, is blue line high, blue line low, pink line high, and then the blue line high over here, and then the cell stop. This is the order of importance. This is what's coded into our signal service that basically the first 4 months never lost, never had a wrong signal. $75,000 wins. Can you go back over the red EMA? Yeah, not right now though. So when you see this, this is everything that you need to make a proper trade. Well, if you look for everything red, because we now know red means down, you can clearly see that our logo would have been formed here. And he asked me to go over the EMA. This red EMA turns to green when it's a buy, red when it's a sell. The two Bach are red. We have red here, here, and here. We have the 3 high lines on your sniper. Over here we have the pink line high, blue line low. We have 4 red here and a fill in the gap, which is so fucking cool. I'll show you what that is. And then we have, look, see right here, it was green, now it's red. The red indicator EMA line right here is red. We also have the logo, by the way, just so we're all clear. We also have the logo. We also have the Bach that is red and red. So now, without doing much anything, by the way, this is just a very basic count right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 different things, 20 different indicators on my system telling you that this is a cell stop and going down. And if you don't think 20 different signals are going to be correct, 20 different people pushing and pulling this trade down, pushing this person under the water, then I can't help you with common sense. I can't help you. Oh, an aha moment. Tony, what worked for you, Anthony Villabose? What's up, Ken the Candle Invalid? What was the aha moment for you, Tony? I love it when I get the aha moments. Yay. An aha moment for Tony. Yay. Do 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 do. That's fantastic. This makes the whole training worth it. So again, you can look at these indicators without it. Oop, right? Nothing there. I don't know what the fuck you're gonna trade, but there ain't nothing there. Ain't nothing there. I don't know what the fuck you're looking at, but there ain't nothing there. Or you can actually trade with color-coded shit telling you what the fuck to do. I mean, really, come on. I'm almost embarrassed. Charts without signals, charts with signals. Right? Charts without signals, charts without signals, charts with signals. Look at the difference, the indicators giving these different down signals to you to take. Again, if this is too complicated for you, I have a signal service that all you have to do is fucking press a fucking button and you can take a trade. Because my signal service takes all of these 20, 25, 30 different indicators into account, into its order of operations, it's called, and calls this signal for you. You explaining the sniper. Nice, Tony. Yay. Tony's already kicking ass. You're about to do better. What's up, chosen one? So there it is. Again, if this is all too complicated, oh shit, there's too many errors, too many things. Okay, fine, whatever. If you can't follow colors, then how about you try this? How about I'm going to flip on the signal surface for you. And all you have to do is the signal surface. All you have to do. There is nothing else. The signal service is the brains. Okay? So if you're having trouble seeing this cell stop right here, don't worry about it. I'm about to show you something so you can actually have a nice happy evening. We have what's called signals. What are signals? They tell you when to look for something, when to trade for something, when not to trade for something. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to have to pull this. It's not working for oil because oil doesn't have anything to show. Let me go to the hourly right here. We'll see a whole bunch of shit on the hourly, I'll tell you that. Let me see if I can pull this up. Ta-da, there you go. Okay. Now the signal service is this. Watch. Here. Okay. So this is our signal service right here. Freedom hourly lower time frame indicator. You can let me get rid of this for you. You can clearly see the hourly is called trade goes down. I'm going to go ahead, hold on, let me bip out of here. Maybe we can get a different, I want something that's bigger, easier for you to see. I want to get a nice, here's one. I want to get a nice, beautiful, look at all these correct signals. This is insane. Okay. Now, here it is. This is nice and easy so you can see this clearly. I can see clearly now. The rain has gone. It's going to be a nice. All right. So we're on the hourly chart. We're on USD CAD sell. This is the first time that the hourly was called out. The second time it was hourly called out. And then we started getting the little signals right here. So we have a machine gun that controls it. We have the little hydras that come in after that, but it's very easy. Matter of fact, I dumbed it down even more now in the signal service right here. That we have a room coming that's going to combine those for you, and it's going to give you the first time this happens. And you take the cell right here would be your first entry, and it goes down to the blue line, which is a whole nother thing that we can count, but we don't. And this is it. So all your orange ones are sells, and all your green, all your blue ones are buys. So if we go over to GPB, JPY, for instance, and we fire this up right here. So everything I just taught you can be put into the signals. You can see the blue went down, right? And then we have orange. I'm sorry, blue went up. Orange went down. Blue went up. Orange went down. Blue went up. And they're going to see a singular one here. This never had a confirmation, never did anything, and so on. So this is so easy for you to see. Let me see if I can show you again over here. Let me wonder if I can go up to a little higher time frame to show you guys this. Yeah, it'll cut down a lot of the signals for you too. So you can see right here. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me make this the higher one. Yeah, let's do this one. All right. Now again, if there is a firing signal right here, and again, I don't want you to think this is complicated. The damn signals tell you when to take a market order, or you can follow the rules, or you can just do a normal order. The red never had a confirmation, these greens did, and so on and so forth. See, when there's multiple red, it goes down. When there's multiple green, it goes up. It's as simple as that. I should really call this like the Netflix signal, because I swear it goes doo-doom. But yeah, that's how fucking cool that shit is right there. It's amazing. Yep, here it is, easier to see for you guys. Watch. This is on the hourly, but watch this shit. The D2 is called, then you have this first line. When this first one comes up, for all of you just getting here late, we now are creating, Keith is going to be creating a welcome to first time signal freedom Ricky Bobby demo trade. Meaning, when these two match, you guys don't have to think about it anymore. It's going to go right into the room to call the trade for you. Yay. And again, just like this one, the first one's always the best. This is a D1. And then when any of these other green ones come up, they go up. I've tested this back since 1971 on gold, and it was always accurate. I'm pretty sure, 1970, I believe. Sorry, it was the end of 1970. It was always accurate. Can you show today's NQ signals? Yeah, I told you I was going to do gold. What do you think? I already told you gold. So buy stop weekly. Take any buy stop on gold 15 second through daily. Let me go ahead and look up that, fellas. Okay, are we all clear? Sell stop, smaller time frame. Without the signals, good luck. You're never going to trade anything and be right, ever. With the signals, you can be right most of the time. With the system, you can be right most of the time. With the signals, you can be right all the time. Now, he wanted me to look up Costco, I think it was. Costco. I think we had a read by Matt or John Parker. Let's take a look. Oh, let's turn these off. Here we go. All right, let's see what Matt called out. So we're looking at Costco. It's a buy. 1 hour is already completed. Daily buy. He did a great job. Whoever was in that trade, you had a beautiful trade. Daily, weekly. Fuck yeah. I would play any buy stop on Costco from 15 second to weekly until, now this is the third time this happened, but I feel very comfortable with this trade. Good job whoever took this trade. This was an actual weekly, monthly buy stop on Costco, turned it into a weekly, daily buy stop on Costco. And if you ever wants help, you can actually get the system. Hold on. There it is. You have to make sure you have to turn it on the right one. Look, the signals called out these buys also the correct way. Buy, 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 buy. And that's correct. So this is the first time down here. I think it was Don. Don, you should have got in here. Hopefully you did. You could have got in here. Hopefully you did. This is almost to the bottom. I would play, and hasn't even started turning up yet. Doesn't mean it's not going to go down. It will go down and form 10-second sells, 3-minute sells, 5-minute sells, 10-minute sells. I'm telling you, when it does that, to flip it. Buy stop, Costco. Play any 15-second through daily buy stops until this pink line right down here, this pink line, let me be clear, until this hooks a little bit further down. It's the only concern I have, and goes back up. Very good call, Matt Parker or John Parker, whoever called that for him. And then until it goes up and touches that orange line, or it goes up and touches the blue line right here. Very good call, Parker brothers. Or which one of you, I don't know. I would hold the trade. I would lock in profit and then hold trade. That's me. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor at a demo trade only. But I'm just saying, this is absolutely a fucking buy stop to the blue line. John or Matt, whoever it was, called it correctly. The first time down here was the best. You can see the signal service called that out perfectly. Second time called it out perfectly. Third time called it out perfectly. So there you go. What is correct? Matt, the signal service, look at it. Every time, look what it called. This is what it called. These blue lines are buys. Everyone look at this. Buy stop. Buy stop. Went up. Buy stop. Went up. Every single time. And as it goes up, I'll show you this one right here. As it goes up, you're going to see a shit ton of these smaller little trades come up. We're going to have to go down though. Hold on. We're going to have to go down in time frames. Am I on the right one? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I might have turned on the wrong one. Yeah, hold on. Oh, more buys there too. Fine, you're going to force me to go down to the 1 hours. Fine. But then we have to scoosh you back in now. See, it's too much. There's too many. I can't do it for you. But if we have two charts open, I hate to do this because you're not going to be able to see it on TikTok. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to weekly. Let's go over the first time it did it and watch this fucking shit before your very eyes. Just watch this shit. Do, 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 do. Here we go. Watch how many fucking... I'm going to try to get you some room here. It's really hard because these fucking cameras suck. But we're going to go back to the very first time it called it. And there's your Holy Grail trade right here. Okay? So right here, watch. This is from here forward, from this line forward. Buy, 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 buy. Shit tons of them. And until this line goes all the way up to the top, more buy, 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 buy. It's crazy. The only reason why you're seeing this is look at it. And then when it hits the top, what do I mean? Look over here, everyone. Look right here. I know it's hard on TikTok. Hang in there. Look right inside of this first one. When the pink was low, the blue goes up high. Straight up she went from this line forward. You can see it clearly. I know it's hard. I understand. Let me see maybe if I can suck that into like a 2 hour for you. Maybe still. Watch. So these are your trades. See them? All these blue up, 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 up. You can see them climbing. Matter of fact, I can do a playback for you guys to see this. It's utterly amazing though. I don't know what Costco does. So watch. Let me go ahead and grab these. We're doing 1 hour. Let me see if I can, Let me grab this over here. This is our buy line. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Nope, my bad. Let's go down to the 5 minute on this one. Right there. Doesn't have enough history. Fuck! Let me go ahead and make this a 15 minute. Oh shit, hold on. They only give you so much history. They don't allow any others, so it's kind of a scammy thing they do. But anywho, oh good. So we have 15 minutes. No, we have 2 hours. Fuck. We'll go to 15 minute here. See if they give us enough history. Yeah, they do. All right. So from this line forward, you can see these call outs over and over and over again. This is our entry. Let me go and see if we can do a little something here. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and take the trade when it tells me to do a buy. So I'm going to get over to here. There it is. It popped up. We're going to go ahead and do a buy, but instead of doing that, we're going to do a few thousand. I don't know what Costco does. We're going to do a buy right when it said to do a buy. Then we're going to play back. We're going to play it back at a little hyper speed. Watch your money. I have no idea what Costco. This is the first time I ever looked at it. This is your money while this trade plays out. And we're waiting for the pink line to come up from the bottom here and come all the way up to here. When it does that, I'll close the trade down, okay? Right now, it's barely even getting started. Just wait for it. Can I go faster? Yeah, let me do 10 times, sorry. Watch, here we go. There's some more buys. I'm not even going to take the other buys. Watch it go up. as the pink line goes to the blue. Just watch how much money this makes. This is just one trade in. I don't know, whatever Costco's even firing at. I have no idea. We're not even going up yet on our pink line over there. Watch it. Watch how much higher this goes. Look at your price. Oh shit, hold on, you can't even see it anymore. Ho, ho, ho. Watch. Do, 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 do. It still hasn't even started to go up yet. Wait till you start seeing the up. Hasn't even done it yet. There's a little something. Still not there yet, by the way. Can you guys see the price action of the trade? Look at all these other trades I'm not calling, and you could have traded it sell down, by the way. It called that correctly. I'm just doing the buys here for you. Only one buy, actually. Keep watching. It's still not even going up. Wait for price action to start going up. Wait for my pink sniper line on the left there, where my arrow is pointing to. Wait till you see that go up. It's going to be crazy. Still not going up yet. Again, this is a weekly trade. This will take forever in real life, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing for Don to see, because that's about to happen on his. I'm not a financial advisor, demo trade only, but you know, this is what you're seeing. Notice how it called the sells correctly there, by the way. And there's ultimately a ton more buys it's calling out. I'm not taking any of those. Da, 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 more and more buys. Da, 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 da. You're welcome, Mike Moynihan. Can you show where to place the trade? What's up, Mike? Mike, do you have the system, yes or no? I'm not answering your question until you answer me, regular old Mike. Do 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 do. About to see a big movement up. That's the down, by the way. It called it correctly. Now it's coming up. Do 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 do. Now there's another buy I didn't take. You could have entered this trade multiple. Look at all the other buys you could have taken. Multiple times. Multiple times. Look at them all called out. I'm not trading those. You can. We're still coming up on the pink to the blue for the first time. Still coming up. Still coming up. Price is still coming. It's just getting started technically. You get out when at first. You close one order down when it gets to the pink blue line at the very top. Right where my arrow is pointing, watch it. You can see the crosshairs coming. Do, 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 do. Still not to the top. We're still in this trade. Let me get this a little more clear for you guys to see it. Still not even close to the top of this. Right inside of here is where we're looking. Right here. Still some more buys coming up for us. Again, these are weekly trades I'm looking at for Don. I'm showing what happens when the pink goes up to the blue on Costco. It's calling out sells, which would be correct if you went to the 1 hours, to the 3-minute, 5-minute lines, 30-second lines. There are sells inside there, obviously. It doesn't go straight up, as you can tell. But it is going up pretty damn fucking good. We are now, nope, still not there. Still not there. Holy shit. Almost to the top, but not quite yet. Okay, and you can close one down and leave one open. You can then, you're going to wait for the pink line to come back down and reload again on the weekly. That'll be the second time for Don. Look at your money now. And then it's going to come back down, but not hard. And then you're going to see price action come down. It's going to hook and do it for the second time. So what you're watching right here is Costco, right? This was a 15-minute entry. This is the weekly over here. This is what happened when you watch the sniper at work. It's utterly amazing. Right now you can see we're at the very peak here. So now you're going to see the pink line come down again, regroup, and then fire off again. So watch what happens. See, right now we're way far away, so we got a long ways to go. But it's right here. Eventually you're going to see the pink line pull away from the blue, forming another buy stop, which is this dip right here, which you guys call retracement. It's going to touch our orange line, then it's going to take off and go up again for the second time. And Don's in a third time, by the way. So when you watch Don, you'll see a third time coming up. And this is why Matt correctly called to hold the trade, because it's going to do it possibly again. If I was Don, I would lock in profit and then let it do its thing. That's how I would do it. NAS 10-minute, 50-minute film to gap. Nice, Tony, thank you. Then no, Tony, buy the system. Go back and watch what I did this morning. You'll see where I put the take profit and stop losses. And again, I'm actually telling you it as you speak, by the way. And again, you're about to see over here on the weekly, this pink is going to come down. The next time it comes up to the top, you would do your take profit or the fill in the gap of your sniper right here, either or. So again, you'd have to wait for it to come up. And it hasn't even started yet. I think we're right here in our, yep. We're not even on the downward flow, and I have this at times 10. This is your money, by the way. Look at it. You can move everything into break even, or I would do slightly better than break even. Boom. Now it's calling out some sells. Gee, I wonder why. Because we're reaching the very, very top of our thing. It's flatline, but it's about to come up here, come up to this little thing and hook back down over here. I have this at times 10 as the fastest it can go. And I don't care. This is fucking wild. I love the playback features. Anyone that doubts the system can't. Period. Cannot. Here it is. Why can't they? Well, look. Here it is. Here it is. Do, 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 do. You can see all the sells, all the buys. It's accurately calling out the whole entire time. Do, 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 do. Doot, 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 doot. Every time you see the blue line go down, price goes down. Every time you see the blue line go up, price goes up. Just watch it. Down, up, down, up. It's just doing it on a bigger scale over here. There it goes. Look at it. It's fucking amazing. All right, you guys are going to get bored with me, but you get the idea. So what we're looking at then, I'll move this to one chart. What we're looking at for, look at how great this is. I really don't want to stop it. It's so fucking cool. All right, fine. What we're looking at for Don and his Costco trade is right here. Look at all those signals. Holy shit. Amazing grace, how sweet thy love. Save a wretch like me. All right, so let's take a look. So we saw the effectiveness of what just one of these weekly was, the first one. Then the second one was coming up, and now the third. So he's not quite at the bottom. That is a concern for me, but it's still close. This pink needs to come all the way down for me to be officially a buy, but it's close enough. And then it's going to hook and start coming up again. And another thing I don't like about this pink hasn't come down yet. Be very leery, Don. I would like this to come. This is just me. You said you own it. I would hold it, lock in profit. That's what I would do. But I would be much happier if this was already down to the orange and this pink was at least a little over halfway. Interesting on that. I wish it was. But once I see this touch this line down here, it's a hard buy. This is exactly what you're looking at, Don, because you probably don't know what the fuck we're talking about. Is gold right here. Gold did it. See it? Pink to blue, how it shot straight up. It's doing it currently right now. That's why when someone asked about the gold, I said it's a fucking gold buy. Stop 15 seconds through weekly till this pink line goes up and touches the blue. Same thing as your Costco. Same exact thing. GBP, JPY. This is exactly where you're at with GBP, JPY. It's not far enough down on the pink and blue that you see that big spike downward. That's what I'm concerned with for Don. He's going to maybe have to eat that right there before it comes up again. I hope you don't, but be very leery until the sniper, this stuff right here, comes down and stuff touches that stuff. Then once it does that and you see that hook coming back up, that's how I would play it. But you're in a good position. If you're already in it, you're already making money. Just lock in profit if you can. I don't know if you have options. I don't know if you have Nadex options, binary options. I don't know if you're playing it straight out. I don't know if you're thinking swim. I don't know if you're in Eagle FX. I don't know where the fuck you're at. But that's my interpretation of it. Okay? Hope that helped you, Don. Mike Moya, mind blown. Isn't that funny? All right. That's it. I'm not going to go over take profits necessarily. I already did anyways. I think I'm done. My brother should be coming over here any minute. We're going to watch a little movie. Oh, look. We were up to 60 people. And now we're down to 35. Just goes to show you who's here to scam and who's here to learn. That's funny. All right, cool. Anyone on TikTok have any questions before I go? Anybody on YouTube have any questions before I go? I bet you I even lost Don. Oh well, his loss. Easy. Oh, someone wanted to know NAS, by the way. The NAS callouts to the 1 hour line were me. I happen to be able to trade a little. So the NAS callouts were here on 8, 14, 13, and 8. If you wanted to see them, though, that's going to be a little trickier because the Almost Holy Grail can't call it. The weekly daily isn't on the right time period. See, this doesn't have a match. These you'd have to go all the way down to your lower time frames. And if you went down to your lower time frames on NAS, which is cool, you can do that, you would see these buy stops. See them? So I don't know who asked that. 3 minute, your third hour, 30 second. Fourth hour, and so on. So you would have had your hourly buys here. You could have went down to like a 15 minute and saw more of them because you're supposed to go down to the lowest time frame on this, which would be like 30 seconds, but we can't really do that. See them all? These are all your buys for NAS. I'm assuming this is today. Let me guess. Yeah, 15th, right? Yeah. What signal patch do I need to get futures signals on my trading view chart on all time frames, Mike said. To get you don't need the signal service is $150 a month. You don't get it on your charts. $250 a month. You don't get them on the charts. $350 a month. You can place these signal service, the signals on any signal, any symbol on TradingView. Any of the 1,000, including futures, they work just as accurately. So yeah, you can put this on any symbol you want. It would be $150 a month. Well, if you get it currently, quickly. $150 a month for the sniper, this thing down here, the pink and blue, because I showed you how important it was. $350 a month, so it would technically be $500 a month to get everything you see here except for the Holy Grail signals. Those don't go on your charts. You still get them, you just don't get them on your charts. But this is what that looks like. Thank you, Kim, you too. All right, TikTokers. You're welcome, Don. I hope that helped you. Again, Don, for that Costco, the only thing that concerns me, like I showed you, is this oil is exactly like your other one, as Costco was. So watch. I just want to show him again, just to give him a head, because he's got some fucking money invested in that shit. So fuck that. What I would be concerned with, was it the oil one? Yeah, well, that isn't down either. Oh shit, I didn't save Costco. Hold on a second. Let's go to Costco again. Because I do want to make sure he's wholesale. I'll add it to the thing, whatever. All right. Again, this is the concern to me. Other than this, Matt read it perfectly. Absolutely perfect. This isn't down touching it. The pink line isn't down quite enough. I don't follow Costco. I don't know much. I'm just reading the charts raw here for you the first time. Obviously, this was the best time. This is the second time. You're in the money, obviously, on the third time. But long term, this pink line has to come down and touch that orange, and then it's going to flip and come back up. And I think that's a very, let me see the daily again. Oh, yeah, you're in the middle of this buy. Fuck yeah. This is a buy. This clears that up. God, I'm so slow. Don, specifically, hold. I'm not a financial advisor. Do what the fuck you want, demo trade only. But it was my $500,000 on the line. I would hold my buys until this blue line here goes up and touches this orange line or gets super close here. Look at the last time it did it, Don. Look, right here. It did it right here. This is your buy. I don't know why I don't look at the daily. That's stupid. Green, red. It's just a buy. Trust me on that. So boom, up it goes. This is the next one. You're only coming to break. I would absolutely hold that $50,000. Make sure you keep profit. If it dips hard, which I don't think it should dip hard at this point at all. It'll dip a little because it's going to form your 3 minute, 5 minutes, but whatever. Fuck that shit. Stay in it. By the way, you notice the earnings? Here's their earnings. Doesn't mean shit. Here's the earnings. Here's their earnings. We're calling out buy, stop before an earnings. Buy, stop before the earnings. Buy, stop before whatever this is. They'll probably jerk it down. Oh, there's another earnings. Oh, it's an unopened. Oh, my bad. It's an unopened thing. It's not a formed earnings yet. But yeah, this is very nice. I don't know why Costco's doing so good. I heard they're shitty and stuff, but nonetheless, I would hold this trade, Don, until the blue line comes up and touches this orange on the daily. If you don't have the system, check back in with me every 2 or 3 days and see what it looked like. But that's how I would look at it. I would play any buy stop on Costco, 15 seconds through daily till this daily comes up and hits. Now, I would like it to be held for this weekly, but this is a concern. Watch. Right where I draw this line, by the way, right where this line is, when I go back down, watch this shit. Want to see how cool the fucking system is? There's going to be a buy stop. You see it? There's your buy stop. And whenever there's a buy stop over here, watch on the daily, watch what you see. You're going to see the weekly pink line. Look, right there. Pink blue line be separated from the blue. You see that? This is a way better buy than the one we're in right now because it's already curved up. So when we're at the bottom here, watch. At this one, it forms a daily buy. Look what he's at now. He's at the bottom right here, and it forms, see the weekly right there? It's a little early. That's the only concern I have on that, Don. But anywho, I think it's a good buy. I think you made a smart move. Very good move with your money. If it's anything like the last time this went up, it went from 700 and we would have been on the orange line. 720, let's say. You'd have made $160 a share. If that's a lot of money to you, I could see it definitely doing 100 pips up. Again, remember, Don, the very first time is the best, the second is fine, and obviously the third you're in the money. First time best, second time's better, then the third time is, it's still good. It's going to fill this gap in right here. It'll go up. But how high? Well, if you'd have got in back here, you'd have made it from 550, let's say, to $330 a share. Why is it doing this? I don't know why, but that's what the chart shows, so whatever. All right, TikTokers got to run. God bless y'all. Have a great night. See ya. YouTubers, any other questions before I go? YouTubers, any other questions before I go? Banner video, you're welcome. Thank you, George. Bidding fire isn't dropping. Nice, Harris. All right, guys. God bless y'all. Everybody have a great, great evening. God bless you. Have a good night. Look, again, this is my final little hint to you guys. Look for one of these, I would say the 15-second or 10-second to turn to red. Play the red on the way down. It may not do this, but there's about an 85-90% chance overnight. This is a very hard up today. Sometimes on the hard ups, they don't do it that way. They don't allow the pull down tonight, but it will do it. Whether it's tonight or tomorrow, it'll do it. Trust me. Or Monday, Tuesday. By this time next week, you're going to see fucking red in these charts, I'll tell you that. All right, guys. God bless you on YouTube. Talk to y'all later. See ya.